4 ways to run pre-orders on Shopify in 2025. Let's run through each of them and find the best fit for growing your store. Charge-upfront pre-orders. Click New Listing. Select your product. Select Charge-upfront and create listing. Now let's have a look at that on the storefront. Sold out, let's refresh it. And we've got pre-order. Let's click pre-order. We can see shipping in 150 days. Click below to add to your cart. Now let's check that out and have a look at that in Shopify orders. That's just come through. Let's click through and see the pre-order. Nice. Paid. See context. Let's check that in Shopify. Paid. Great. And it's on hold. Let's release that fulfillment hold so we can ship to customers. Back in pre-product. Release fulfillment. All variants. Great, and we're ready to fulfill. Charge later pre-orders. Let's go to new listing again. And oversized t-shirt. And now let's click charge later, 150 day shipping, create listing. And let's visit the product page. Great, so 150 days. And we will hold off charging you until we're ready to ship. Brilliant. Click pre-order. And through to checkout. And total due today, 0. Total due 27th of September, £99. Brilliant. Let's check that out. The pre-orders just come through. Let's click through. And future charge accepted. Great. And we can see a card on file. Let's have a look at that in Shopify. And we've got a status of payment pending and on hold. Brilliant. Let's trigger charges and fulfill this order to customers. So back in pre-product. We'll click charge all customers, charge customers. And deferred charge processing. Awesome. It's marked as paid and changed from hold to unfulfilled. Deposit-upfront pre-orders. Again, let's click new listing. And let's choose the oversized t-shirt. Let's choose deposit up front this time, and let's grab a £1 deposit up front. Cool, and let's look at the product page. Great, so pay a £1 deposit to lock in your oversized t-shirt today. Cool, pre-order and checkout. And we can see here that we've got a £1 due today, and then on the 27th of September, we've got the rest of it. Cool, let's check that out. Which has come through, so let's have a look at that. And again, we can see that was a card vaulted safely on file, as well as a £1 deposit taken. Let's have a look at that in Shopify. And we've got partially paid this time, and then the on hold status. So let's go down here, and this store's in AUD, so we can see what we've got paid now and what we'll have in the future. Cool, let's trigger that outstanding charge and let's fulfill the pre-order. So back in pre-product, let's click charge all customers, charge customers. And great, now it's swapped to paid and a fulfillment status of unfulfilled. payment link pre-orders, or as we call them, capture only. So new listing. Again, let's choose that oversized t-shirt and let's go to capture intent, capture only, and create listing. Cool, let's have a look at that on the storefront. And we've got pre-order, so we'll click that and we will say Ollie at preproduct.io and click pre-order. Successful. In pre-product, oversized t-shirt. Cool, and there's the pre-order I just made. And this time let's click send all payment links, as the order isn't yet in the Shopify orders admin, but we can change that by sending a payment link to our checkout. Cool, that email has just come through. To complete your purchase, please click here. And back in pre-product, we can see that pre-order is changed to payment email triggered and paid. And let's look at that in Shopify. Cool, paid and unfulfilled, just like all the others. That was charge up front, charge later, deposit up front, and capture only pre-orders. I'll put a link in the description to a free trial of pre-product, which is the pre-order app we used today. Other than that, thanks for watching. Cheers.